Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas hat, so let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas hat, let's first start by drawing a curve all the way across. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm just going to drag this soft curve all the way over to say about right here. There. And then now that we have that, I'm going to come back over here to the corner and round this off. And same thing over here, just nice and round. And then we're going to bring it down. And about right here, come in. So same thing here. Round it off. And to about the same height as that, we're just going to bring it in. And then from there, let's go ahead and connect it once again with a soft curve, just like the top. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the top of our hat. So I'm going to start right here, come in a little bit from this corner, and we're just going to go up nice and high towards the center. So about right here, towards the center of our drawing here, about right there. And then I'm going to come back to here. We're going to draw a curve just like this side. And let's just say about right here. I'm just going to start with this curve that comes down for the other side. And then I'm going to curve it out for the tail. So there's many ways you can draw this tail, but I'm just trying to make it extra cute today. So I'm just going to kind of flare it out and go up with this little tail, and then come back about here and come in. Bring this in a little bit more. And then here we're going to draw a circle. So you can make it smooth, or you can add some curves to it. It's all up to you. Just give it some texture. So I'm just going to make mine poofy. And then from there, we basically have a Santa hat. So today we're going to make it a Draw-So Cute one. So I'm going to add some eyes to it to make it extra cute. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a circle. Then I'm going to come across about right here and draw another one. There. So my two circles, and I'm going to make them Draw-So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's give this hat a sweet smile. So I'm just going to draw a little curve right here and cap it off. There. And if you like, I thought it would be nice to spruce it up. You can add some holly berries right here on the corner. So if you want to do that, just come right here. We're just going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, and then I'll pop one up right about here. And then we need to draw the leaf. So I am going to come right here. And we have to do some erasing. Draw a leaf right here, and then maybe another one that comes over here. There, just to give it some more color. And that is pretty much it for this drawing. Nice and simple, right? Hopefully. And then now I'm just going to come in here real quick and just color with some basic water markers. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Christmas hat turned out that helped you draw and color it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.